Alrighty, internet friendos, here's a quick one for today. Just to get this out of the way. All stuff I've got before, but we will see what I've got here. No. Egypt. Oh, envelope. Got all flustered. And hide that guy. Paperwork? Oh, paperwork's still in the box. Good. Good. We have Zimbabwe. 1, 2, and 5 zigs. 10 of those sets. And that envelope is done. And Egypt. 10 should be 10 sets of Egypt. All the way up to a pound. Ooh, well, so here's the other sets of Egypt. Bag opened. Ooh, warm. Something about living in a desert. More sets of Egypt, and then the 10, which was half the cost of the whole thing. 10 Bahamas, 25 cent. Colorized both sides. Circulating commemorative quarter. I'll call it a quarter. Dang good buy for once from this place. And I will probably keep buying them. I think I have 16 now. This is 10 of them. I already had 6. And I'm going to probably keep accumulating. Maybe get upwards of a roll. But super nice coin. Made by Royal Canadian Mint. And that is the fun for the day. Have a good one.